Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to our video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all so you can get the instant notification about our videos, so you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. So in this video we're going to see about the Mitosis Testnet. So as you can see, this is our crew. Also shared our crew link on our Telegram channel and also on Twitter. Yesterday we pushed around 160 XP on the crew level, but on the solo level we pushed around 3100 XP. As you can see, yesterday I shared you guys some pairs, right? So most of you used it and got over 3000 XP. So I shared it on my Telegram channel and also on our Twitter page at first. So a lot of people are having doubts with how this process works. So first, you need to sign in with your Mitosis account. So after sign in, connect your Twitter and Discord accounts to get the eligibility. When you join in first, it will show you the eligibility and all. So do that. And first and foremost, climb the faucet on both main faucet and bonus faucet. So because the faucet alone giving around 10 points. So let me show you that. See, the public faucet around giving around 30 XPs. So and also a lot of people are blabbering about I'm losing Mitosis, I'm losing the token. But the main point is not losing the token. So if you lose around up to 10 tokens, that is fine. Let me show you this. So this is the tire information. So if you are bronze 3, you will get around 1.5 Mito, but I am gold 1, so I'm getting daily 18 Mito. So if you level up, and you will get, for emerald 1, you will get around 40 Mito on daily basis. So by doing the transaction pass I show, you will lose some Mitosis, but that's fine. But if you don't want to lose the Mitosis that you have, you can actually wait for the liquidity to retain and swap back. Because I swapped with 220 Mitosis, but I gained 245. That's the ultimate motive. But most of you guys are losing money because you are swapping within seconds. So let me show you. So you can wrap the Mito by clicking here. You are able to see the wrap and unwrap. Let me wrap 10 Mito. Sign. So it will take around seconds to wrap and unwrap. So I choose this pair. Let me show you this. First I check that the values are somewhat negligible. So and again I'll check back with this. So I'm getting the exact amount. So after the check, I'll change the slippage to 3%, and let me quickly do that. So I'm swapping around 255 Mitosis token, that is 12k volume on a bulk swap. So sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times the slippage won't work with the auto. You need to change it to manual to 3, 5 or 8 percentages based on the requirement level. Some pairs have more slippages, but this will allow within 3 to 5. So I swapped it right. I'm going to swap back the MIUSD2 into Mitosis pair. So I lost around to 1 Mitosis token. For me it's fine, because by doing this I'm going to gain some XP. With that XP, I'm going with the next level tire. I'm going to level up. So right now I'm in gold, right? Let me show you the tire info. Gold 1, this is my level. So if I go to emerald 3, I'm going to get 21 Mitosis token. And this is my crew. So the crew XP will also increase. So everything, if you lose on one thing, you will gain on something. That's the process. But the main information on the testnet is you need to hold at the end of the testnet, which will be end in around 10 days, I think. You need to, the weightage on the airdrop calculation is 70% on Mitosis and 30% on the other tokens that you get from the faucet. If you click on the faucet, you will get all these tokens. Around the bonus faucet will give on all chains, and the main faucet will only give on the Mitosis chains. So make sure you climb daily. Alright. See, I swapped around 253, but the slippage is 3%, and I lost around 6. I just did it for the video purpose, but I don't do it like this. So if I swapped around this much of tokens, and I got 10,500 tokens on USDT, I wait until the, let's say, I'm going to get 252, right? If I click on the 100% same token again, the liquidity is changed, so I'm going to get 250. So I'll wait until the pair has something around 258 or 260. So it will take some minutes or maybe 30 to 40 minutes. But I'm going to wait until the pair get retains. Sometimes it will get around in a couple of minutes, so I don't know. If the slippage is less, I will continue with it. But if the difference is more, I will wait. So that is my trick. But you need to have patience for that. A lot of people complaining on I'm losing it, I'm losing it. Of course you're going to lose them, but you are gaining XP. So you need to have that reward calculation. And the next pair that I do mostly is this one, the YFI pair. It also give you more amount, same like the MIUSDT pair. Let me quickly show this. I'm going to swap it. I swapped around 1.27. See, the difference is if you make, I'm going to get 237. But I will wait for around the liquidity get around 250. See, this will increase. So I will wait for some time and then I'll swap back. So that's the thing. I don't lose the Mitosis token and also gaining, but most people won't do. See, this is the main thing that you need to focus on. So I first swapped. Look, I got more than my Mitosis. So this is how you gain. Just make sure you have time and you have the patience to gain. If you don't have and come blabbering on the Telegram chat, you don't gain these things. This is all the liquidity pair that I trade. I also trade on MIUSD and LBTC, and the most prominent pairs are RV, and sometimes I trade on Stargate. So these have the highest liquidity. See, you need to focus on this. When this increase, you will swap. When this decrease, you will wait. I already exhausted the pair limit on yesterday, so we'll have that limit for gaining the XPs. So make sure you will wait until it retains and swap back. See, I waited around 5 minutes. I'm going to get around 266 MITO back. See, actually I got around 267. So this is a way of gaining MITO and also generating the volume. And the one more thing I'll do is I'll do everything on this, but just for your information, let me quickly show this. I will deposit on the EOL walls. So this is one of another way to gain the XP. In this way, you will not gain, you will not lose any MITO, but the XP rate is lower than the swaps. So you need to understand this. So in this video on Mitosis, I just showed you how to multiply your MITO tokens and also gain XP on that, and all other interaction that I regularly do on Mitosis. So just follow and use those pairs I gave on my Telegram and Twitter and gain XP or also gain the Mitosis token. My personal target would be around to gain over 2k Mitosis, but like wait until that happens. I can't say for sure, but one thing for sure, I'll reach the Emerald. So that's my least target. I'll definitely do on that, and also make sure that all my crew members and Telegram channel followers try to reach the Emerald, because that will gain you MITO. If you reach Emerald tonight, you will get daily around 20 to 25 MITOs. So do the same swapping that I told and gain more MITOs. Apart from that, I just also want to inform, yesterday we got the Noda airdrop that I posted in my Telegram. Some of you got just when I posted the iAgent protocol node launch. So few people bought that and also share their allocations on the TG chat. So claim it. They also have good future plans. So this is just the wave 1. They're also planning for the wave 2 with some testnet interaction and all. So don't forget, I will update on that. Just follow up the feed that will I post, and also I'll try to post the video on that. So that's one thing. So I also posted about the Plaza Finance. So this is also a very good project. You just need to get the testnet tokens and then buy and sell the bonds. So I got the testnet token. Click on Explore Plaza. We'll go to buy these bonds. Let me quickly show you. Let me buy around 0.3. So morely this testnet interaction giving a lot of money than the mainnet interactions. So try to do this testnet task daily, so don't forget. So within seconds my points went up. I just bought the bond, so I'm just going to buy the leverage. So at initial it was around 21 points. Now it has 38 points. All I did was claim the faucet, bought the bonded, bought the leveraged, and then I sold the bonded and I sold the leveraged. So this is the basic interaction. Just buy those things and sell those things. All you can do is all the 4 things. So interact daily, your points will gain, and then go to my Plaza and here join the Plaza community. You will redirect to the guild. So join the Discord, Twitter, and forecaster. So after joining, you will have the uh, show secret here, the option that will open after you joined all their and completed all their missions. So just click the reveal secret and then reveal it. So it will act as a multiplier for your reward earnings. So just do that. So that's it for today, guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see the analytics, most people are watching the channel without subscription. As a small content creator like me, that's not going to help me at all. All I seek is your subscription. If you feel like to turn on the notification, kindly turn on it so you can get the instant notification whenever I post this video. Because in crypto, being early is more advantage than anything. You need to do the task ASAP, because Nexus also have a 3-day testnet. So we also posted the node guide on our channel. Most people got around over 500,000, and also some people got around 100k Nexus points using the CLI version. So just be early, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because that's where our channel grows. Just follow on Twitter. I'll post more stuff on the Twitter, and I'll also organize a giveaway probably in next week. So don't ever forget to participate. So this is a start for us in the bull run. We'll do more things. So don't forget to follow our Twitter, subscribe to YouTube channel, join our Telegram group. Only that motivates me to do more content like this, and also find these tricks, share with you guys. So until then, stay safe, have a nice day.